Welcome to the viewers. In the last class, we have learned how to prepare the journal entries in the books of the drawer and drawee. In the simple case, when the bill is drawn by drawer and accepted by drawee. In the present session, we are going to learn the problems on endorsement. Before going to solve the problem, we want to touch upon the endorsement. What is endorsement? We already know what is endorsement, who is called as endorser and who is called as endorsee. For just recollecting, I will just once again repeat it. Endorsement is nothing but transferring the bill by the drawer to his creditor for clearing his debts. In this case, the drawer once received the bill from the drawee. If the drawer is having a debts to his creditor, in this case, he can send that bill to his creditor. That sending is nothing but endorsement of the bill. In this case, there are two parties involving. One is endorser and endorsee. Who is transferring the bill is called as endorser, and whom the bill is transferred is called as endorsee. That means drawer becomes endorser, creditor of the drawer becomes endorsee. So now we will see the problem. On 1st July 2018, Jayant drew a bill upon Hemant for 10,000 rupees at 3 months period, and this was duly accepted by Hemant. After the acceptance, the bill was endorsed to Revant on the due date. The bill was honored. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of all the three parties. Here in this problem, there are three parties are involving. One is drawer, another one is drawee, and another one is endorsee. That means who is drawing the bill? Jayant drew bill upon Hemant. So bill prepared by Jayant. So Jayant is nothing but drawer, drawee is nothing but Hemant, and endorsee is nothing but Revant. Who is endorser? Endorser is nothing but Jayant, because he is having debts to his creditor. Who is creditor to Jayant? The creditor to Jayant is Revant. For clearing his debt, Jayant will send the bill to the Revant. That is called as endorsement. In this case, Jayant becomes endorser, Revant becomes endorser. So finally there are three peoples. One is drawer, two is drawee, third is endorsee. In all the three parties, we are supposed to pass the journal entries based upon this problem. Now first we will pass the journal entries in the books of drawer. Journal entries. Entries in the books of drawer is nothing but Jayant. Date is 2018 July 1st. bill is accepted and received by the Jayant. Who is accepted? Hemant is accepted and received by Jayant. That bill becomes a bills receivable to the Jayant. Bills receivable and asset, so it is a real account. As per real account principle, debit what comes in. So bills receivable account is debited. Bills receivable account debtor to Jayant account. No, sorry, Hemant account. Hemant account. Amount is 10,000 rupees. Being accepted, bill is accepted, bill is received, and on this bill is 3 months time period is there. After acceptance, the bill was endorsed to Revant. On the same day, the bill is endorsed to Revant. So Revant is a receiver. Debit the receiver. So Revant account debtor. Revant account debtor to bills receivable account. Bills receivable account 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. Being bill endorsed to Revant. Now who is holding the bill? The bill is holding by Revant. Now we will pass the general entries in the books of drawee. Journal entries in the books of drawee. Who is drawee? Drawee is Hemant. On 1st July 2018, July 1st, he is accepted bill and send it to the whom? The bill is sent to the Jayant. So in his books, Jayant is a receiver. Jayant account debtor. Jayant account debtor 10,000 rupees to bills payable account 10,000 rupees. Being bills accepted drawn on him. On the maturity date, this drawer is responsible to honor the to pay the bill amount, and the bill is honored on the due date. The period is given for 3 months period. So July, August, September. After 3 months completion, then it becomes October 1st. By including grace days, it becomes October 4th due date. On due date, Hemant has to pay the amount. When he pays the amount, cash will go out and he has to take back the bills payable from the holder. So bills payable account debtor, bills payable account debtor 10,000 rupees to cash account 10,000 rupees being bill amount paid on due date, and the entries in the books of Revant, that is endorser. Who is becoming as endorser? Endorser is nothing but Jayant. Endorser is nothing but Revant. Now we will pass the general entries in the books of Revant. Journal entries in the books of Revant is nothing but endorser. On the same date, he receives the bill from his debtor, that is nothing but drawer, that is nothing but Jane. So 2018 July 1st, he will receive the bills receivables. So asset, bills receivable account debtor, bills receivable account debtor 10,000 rupees. To whom he is receiving? He is receiving from his debtor. Who is the debtor? Debtor is nothing but Jayant, that is drawer, Jayant account. Being bill received on endorsement, being bill received on endorsement. On due date, already we know the due date, that is 3 months, July, August, September, then October 1st becomes 3 months due date, and by including 3 grace days, the due date becomes October 4th. On the October 4th, he is the holder of the bill. Who is holder of the bill? Revant is the holder of the bill. So Hemant, that is Drai, has to pay the amount to the Revant. That is the reason why on due date, amount received for this transaction, the entry has to be passed in the books of Revant instead of books of the drawer, that is Jayant, because the bill is not with the Jayant, it is with the Revant. So the honor date, the bill is honored on the due date for this transaction. The entry has to be passed in the books of Revant, but not in the books of the Jayant. This is the thing which is happened in case of endorsement. So when the bill is honored, the cash will come into the inside. So cash is a real account. As per real account,